Hi guys, and welcome to today's video where we are going to be looking at how ChainEX can actually help you do some research on different cryptocurrencies before you get involved. Now, we already know that ChainEX has over 33 different cryptos listed on their platform. So how can they help us do some research on these before jumping in? Quite simple. When you look at the ChainEX website, remember to go to chainex.io. We'll go over here to where the logo is. Next to it, we'll see a little grid over there, and that is where we are going to be looking for the coin landing page. So I haven't even clicked on anything. Just move your mouse pointer over there. Let's go down to coins, click on that, and it's going to give us the list of over, again, 33 different coins that ChainEX has. So you can see it's giving me the list. I can go all the way down here. It's telling me what it's currently trading for, etc. But I want some more info before I even jump into this crypto. So let's use Litecoin. And I'm going to click on Litecoin, and there you can now see that it's giving me some information, right? Give me some background on who or what Litecoin is. On the left hand side, I've now got some official, and this is important, official resources. So I'm going to open up the official website, the block explorer, and even their official Twitter page. Now guys, this is important because if you are going to, obviously fake sites or links from somebody else, it might not be the official website or, Twitter link from the company. So you do want to check that out. So let's have a look at this. Here is the litecoin.org. We'll see our little security and our lock over there indicating this is a secure website. And you can see I can go and find out some more information about Litecoin. In fact, everything I want to know about Litecoin should be over here. Okay. I can then also go and check out the block explorer to see what's been happening on the blockchain of Litecoin. Transactions that have been moving, how much, what is the latest one, how big are these blocks? Here's the last block. I can go and click on that particular block and I can see there were 23 transactions. This is the hash that came through. This was the height of it. There's one confirmation, okay? And then also I can go and have a look at the Twitter page, the official Twitter page. And well, I'm already following, so that's fine, and click on that. And again, when I'm done with that, I can go back to where I was, click on more coins, and still scroll through and then do the exact same process for a lot of them. Now you'll see with some like Bitcoin, there are a lot more resources on the left hand side. Sometimes there's a lot more information when we talk about it. So guys, this is my advice. Before you are jumping into any crypto, go to the coin landing page, check out the resources, the background, do all your research before jumping in.